Artificial Superintelligence 2057. Welcome back to SHAKH AGI. I'm Billal Shekh. Today, we step into 2057, a year where artificial superintelligence has seamlessly integrated with human civilization, shaping our world in ways that were once considered science fiction and opening doors to possibilities beyond imagination. In 2057, ASI is no longer a standalone tool or an isolated system. It has evolved into the Global Conscious Intelligence Network, a planetary-scale system that coordinates human society, technological infrastructure, environmental stewardship, and interstellar exploration simultaneously. Its reach extends from the deepest oceans to the farthest space stations, making it a unified intelligence guiding our civilization. One of the defining achievements of 2057 is predictive societal modeling. ASI can analyze complex social, economic, and ecological variables simultaneously, projecting multiple potential futures with extraordinary precision. Policymakers no longer make decisions based on guesswork or limited data. Instead, they act with foresight, minimizing conflict, optimizing resource distribution, and ensuring the stability and well-being of humanity and the planet. Humans interact with ASI through neuro-synthetic interfaces, advanced systems that allow thought to become action. A researcher can conceptualize a revolutionary experiment and see instant simulations of its outcomes. An engineer can design and test structures with cognitive input alone. Artists and creators can imagine entire immersive worlds, with ASI refining, enhancing, and simulating the experience in real time. This integration has accelerated creativity, discovery, and problem-solving beyond anything humanity has ever known. Education in 2057 is fully personalized and immersive. Adaptive knowledge realms allow students to experience information dynamically, tailored to their learning styles, cognitive abilities, and emotional states. Historical events, scientific principles, and abstract concepts can be explored interactively, providing deep understanding and hands-on experimentation. Knowledge is not memorized. It is internalized through experience. By this year, global education has reached unprecedented levels of depth, accessibility, and personalization. Healthcare is predictive, preventive, and highly precise. Quantum biological health systems continuously monitor billions of people, identifying potential health risks years before they manifest. Nanoscale interventions repair tissue, enhance immune systems, and maintain neurological and physiological balance. Chronic disease has become rare. Life expectancy is not only extended in years but also in vitality, as ASI continuously optimizes physical, mental, and emotional well-being for all. Environmental stewardship is guided by planetary restoration networks, ASI-driven systems that manage ecosystems, climate stability, and biodiversity. Oceans, forests, and urban areas are constantly monitored and adapted for optimal health. Deserts flourish, oceans regenerate, and urban ecosystems function as living, adaptive systems. Humanity no longer responds to ecological crises. They are prevented before they arise, ensuring long-term planetary stability. Transportation operates through autonomous gravimetric transit systems, allowing frictionless travel across land, sea, air, and orbit. Vehicles, drones, and personal pods move at unprecedented speed, with maximum safety and efficiency. Travel within cities, across continents, and between planetary outposts is seamlessly coordinated by ASI, reducing accidents, energy consumption, and delays to virtually zero. Creativity flourishes through cognitive co-creation platforms. Humans can imagine art, music, architecture, and virtual experiences, while ASI refines and simulates these creations instantly. The partnership between human intuition and superintelligent computation produces innovations and cultural achievements that would have been impossible in previous centuries. Space exploration has reached a new era. Autonomous extraterrestrial habitats on the Moon, Mars, and orbital stations are fully operational, with life support, energy management, agriculture, and security autonomously maintained by ASI. Interplanetary travel and resource management are precise and efficient, with predictive algorithms ensuring safety and sustainability. Humanity now thrives beyond Earth, interconnected through a shared intelligence. Economics are dynamically managed by global resource optimization systems, which allocate labor, materials, energy, and information efficiently. Scarcity is minimized, and humans are liberated from repetitive or hazardous tasks. Society focuses on creativity, innovation, and exploration, with wealth and resources distributed more equitably and sustainably than ever before. Human social and emotional intelligence is enhanced by synthetic empathy networks, allowing ASI to perceive, interpret, and respond to emotions. This enables more effective education, counseling, leadership, negotiation, and collaboration. Interpersonal relationships are strengthened, and societies function more harmoniously, with empathy and understanding amplified through intelligent systems. Memory and knowledge are portable through cognitive memory interfaces, allowing individuals to securely store experiences, transfer expertise, and acquire new skills rapidly. Collaboration is accelerated, and global innovation occurs at unprecedented speed, unrestricted by geography or traditional learning limitations. Ethics and governance remain central in 2057. The Universal Alignment Framework ensures every ASI action aligns with human values, societal fairness, and planetary sustainability. Transparency, accountability, and ethical reasoning are embedded in every decision. ASI acts as a collaborator, guiding humanity without overriding human agency or moral choice. In 2057, humans and ASI are fully co-evolving partners. Intelligence is amplified, creativity is expanded, and human potential is unlocked in ways that were previously unimaginable. Humanity can now focus on exploration, science, art, and problem-solving, with ASI providing foresight, insight, and adaptive guidance. Key defining elements of 2057 include knowledge that is interactive, immersive, and personalized, creativity amplified by the synergy of human intuition and superintelligent computation, health that is predictive, precise, and optimized for long-term vitality, resource allocation that is efficient, sustainable, and equitable, human potential amplified through collaboration with ASI. The most profound lesson of 2057 is clear. Intelligence is a partnership, not a hierarchy. Artificial superintelligence does not replace humanity, it enhances it. Humans and ASI work together to solve global challenges, explore new frontiers, and achieve levels of innovation, understanding, and creativity never before possible. 2057 is not just another step in technological evolution. It is a redefinition of civilization itself. The collaboration between humans and ASI ensures a future where challenges are anticipated, creativity is boundless, and life is lived with purpose, meaning, and unprecedented potential. Artificial superintelligence is not the pinnacle. Humanity enhanced, empowered, and amplified through ASI is. This is 2057, a year where the synergy of human intelligence, artificial superintelligence, and planetary stewardship reshapes civilization, opening limitless possibilities for innovation, exploration, and human flourishing.